Assalamu alaikum to the dear viewers of Knowledge Galaxy. Today our topic is how headphone earbuds can slowly harm your hearing over time. It's not just about the volume, the length of time you spend each day listening to devices through your headphones or earbuds can also contribute to hearing loss later in life. Headphones and earbuds can impact hearing loss in children and young adults as they age. Children, teenagers, and young adults listen to many hours of music per day at volume exceeding the globally recommended public health limit. There are ways to set healthy noise limits and protect your hearing. Cranking up your earbuds as you listen to music or podcast might be your favorite form of self-care. However, it might not be the best for your hearing. According to recent analysis, high levels of noise can affect hearing loss in the future. Children, teens, and young adults may be particularly at risk if they often listen to many hours of music per day at volume exceeding the public health limit of 70 decibels of average leisure noise exposure per day. Health implications of hearing loss. Frank and audiologist John Mayers reviewed and integrated information from multiple articles in multiple disciplines to form conclusion about personal audio system usage. A key takeaway was that people who use personal audio system, also called personal listening devices or music players, linked to headphones or earbuds so the content can be heard without disturbing others and damaging their hearing. Especially for young people, personal audio system use is the major source of layered noise exposure, said Frank. When they reach midlife, probably in their early to mid 40s, they will be as hard of hearing as their grandparents are now in their 70s and 80s. How to set healthy noise limits. Hearing loss from noise exposure can accumulate after one very loud exposure or more often slowly over time with bad hearing habits, said Carson. We live in a noisy world and many people are exposing themselves repeatedly to unsafe noise levels which may affect their long-term health. In my practice, we recently saw a young adult with a prefrontal eardrum from listening to music with earbuds too loudly, she said. Sounds are measured in dBA unit. It is very good to keep your sound at 70 dBA, that is socially approved. A very good rough indicator is that if a person has to strain to speak or to be heard over the ambient noise that more than about 70 decibels, said Frank. For devices, it is hard to know that the decibel output is so he suggested using your device at the 50% setting as well as cutting back on your listening time. For example, she said on iPhone, use the hearing application in the control center to check your headphone audio level. It is recommended to use a sound level meter app. There are many free or inexpensive sound level meter apps which helps to determine how noisy your environment is. The National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health offers a free one. A smartphone sound meter app will help one learn what's loud and what's not. Many types of hearing protection exist that are designed to protect you from the noisy you are around. For example, Carson said musician-filtered hearing protection can help maintain the quality of music while still providing safe protection. Hearing protection comes in many forms: earphones, foam plugs, custom plugs, and custom fit hearing protection. Talk to your hearing health professional to get help finding the protection that best more for your intended use, she said. It's very important to check your hearing quality every day. If you are over the age of 50 or exposed to noise at unsafe levels, it is recommended to check your hearing annually. Thank you so very much for watching. Kindly like and subscribe our channel and push the bell icon button for more updates.